Hello Titan families, my name is Ezra Nicholson and I'm the leadership teacher here at CECI. And I need your help because we're making another LipDub video. If you don't know what that is, Google Central Ogden LipDub and you'll see some examples from the past. We hope once again to include as many students as possible, but in order to do so we need every student who's in the video to have their media release completed. And we've got lots of students in the building who just haven't had their form, that release filled out at all. They haven't answered yes or no and therefore it defaults to a no. So what I'm here to do today is to walk you through that because I actually hadn't done it for my own child and hopefully to help you to do that if you would like to have an opportunity for your child to be included in the video. We can't guarantee that they will be, but this at least, because it's going to be dependent on classes and does it work in individual periods when we're filming, but this at least increases their chances of being able to be involved. All right, here's how you do it. All right, to complete the media release, what you can do is go to the Central Ogden Collegiate Institute website. And if you're here, you can scroll down and you can find it under Parent Portal right here. But if you're not sure how to get to the CECI website, what you can do is just Google TVDSB, Thames Valley District School Board, Parent Portal, and you will find it. At this point, it's going to bring you to this site. And if you have an account, you'll click yes, I have an account, and you'll put that in. If you don't, you'll have to create an account. So what I'm going to do is I am going to log in. Now that you're here, you'll see if you have multiple students with the TVDSB board, they'll all be listed here. If you have more than one child that goes to CECI, you'll have to complete the media release for each student. So I'm going to click in here, and this is going to take me to my one child's information. And so I'll have a few different options here. I am going to click on this one here, parent guardian consents. I will click in here, and then I've got some information on what the guidelines are. But basically there are two questions. The first one is the one that we really need a yes for in order for your child to participate in the LipDub video. As well, it'll allow us to use the pictures or images or videos of other events they participate in, maybe on Instagram or on videos in the future. And so I'll click yes to that. And then this one here allows the media to interview or use pictures if the London Free Press were to come and take pictures of a fundraising event that we were doing, or maybe your child won an essay contest and the CBC wanted to interview them. So you can click yes to that. And then I just have to save my answers and I'm done. That's it. Okay, if you've made it this far, you've probably completed the media release. Just to give you a bit of information, while there's going to be filming on many dates, the big filming date is going to be Wednesday, December 14th. It's going to happen in the afternoon, and we'll be pulling some students out of classes where appropriate. What you can do to help your teenager be organized and ready for this, we need really kind of three things. One should be easy. We just need them to have regular sort of clothes that they come into school. Secondly, if they could bring something that's very black and gold, Titany, whether it's their We Are Titan shirt, or if they want to go big in a real black and gold outfit, that would be awesome. And then the third thing, because we're going to use some black lights, is if they've got a neon shirt or a white shirt that will glow under a black light, that will be awesome. If they're not sure if the item's going to glow, they can bring it to the library and we can test it. All right, thanks so much, Titans. We really appreciate all your support.